Hello, this video will walk you through how to install and use the BeavCo Chain Pack. Once you've downloaded it, you'll see it is a RAR file. I've extracted the contents of that RAR file into this folder here. You'll see inside the RAR file, once extracted, you have another RAR file that contains the 3DM files. You'll want to use these if you are using just Rhino or you're using a version of Matrix that is earlier than Matrix 6.0. If you are using Matrix 6.0, you gain a little bit more functionality out of this pack. You'll see it is there is an installer here. Run this installer and you'll be able to use the chain pack with the object on curve utility in Matrix 6. I will run the installer. You'll see once you open the installer, it asks you for a destination folder. If you install to the default directory of C program files Matrix 6.0, this is going to be the path you want. If you installed to a different drive, or maybe you didn't install your program files, you will want to locate your Matrix 6.0 library on curve object directory. Once you've located that, you can put that in here. Most of the cases you will find that you've installed a default directory, in which case you can just leave this directory here. So once you have that set, you just hit install, and of course I've already installed it, so it's going to ask me if I want to override it. There it is. It is installed, and once you open up Matrix or Rhino here in Matrix 6, what I'll do is I'll show you. I'll draw out a curve here. I'll highlight it, and in the F6 menu I'll go to Object on Curve. I'll go to Object Type and select the browser. Inside the browser you'll see all of the chain styles that are prefixed with BeavCo. That is the contents of the BeavCo Chain Pack. You'll also see they have a black background. The default Matrix ones are they contain a gray background, so you can tell them apart there. Once you have this open, you can select the chain style. We'll go with the first one here, the bead chain, and you'll see that we have all the functionality of object on curve. We can change the start and end points. You can mirror it, taper it, change the sizes, the spacing, all that good stuff. Right click or hit enter, and we'll just shade it here real fast. There you go. Of course, I'm recording a video, so it took me a minute, but there it is. That's pretty much it. And you'll see inside the library there, you saw all the different styles. So that's pretty neat. If you're not using Matrix 6, if you're using just Rhino or a previous version of Matrix 6, you will want to use the 3DMs that are inside this RAR file. You can extract them to any directory you want. I recommend also downloading the Array Curve Plus script. I'll include a text file with the link that you can visit to download this. This is a great utility. It expands on the Rhino array commands and just really makes it a lot more intuitive. So I encourage you to check this out, read about it, download it. It's really great. So there's that. If you don't want to download this, you can just use Array along Curve. It works fine. But there's that. Thank you for downloading it.